In this video, we will learn how to find out the equilibrium level of income in an economy given the autonomous investment and consumption function. The question is, suppose in an economy autonomous investment which is I naught equals 600 million and the following consumption function is given as consumption is equal to 200 plus 0.8 y. We are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of income. Okay, so we are being given the consumption function is 200. Here 200 denotes the autonomous consumption when the level of income is 0, plus 0.8 denotes the marginal propensity to consume, and y denotes the output or income. We are being told that investment is autonomous. It is not a function of interest rate here, and it is autonomous of $600 million. We are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of income. Now we know that our total income should be equal to the total expenditure. So total income will be equal to the consumption expenditure plus the investment expenditure. So we have y will be equal to, so consumption is 200 plus 0.8 y, and we add the autonomous investment of 600. So transpose this term to LHS, it gets subtracted, and here we have 600 plus 200 is 800. So subtracting 0.8y from y, we will get 0.2y is equal to 800. 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10. Y is equal to 800, or y will be equal to, if I transpose this term to RHS, it gets multiplied but reciprocated, it becomes 10 upon 2, or y will be equal to 2 ones are 2, 5s are, then we have 5 zeros are 5 zeros are 5 8s are 40. So for this economy, the equilibrium level of income will be $4,000 million. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.